Hello, I'm Scott, and this is Treasure. We're from the Quilting Bee in Spokane. The Quilting Bee is the largest quilt shop in the region. We have over 7,000 bolts of fabric and 6 brands of sewing machines. We have the largest classroom in a wide ranging area with a 1,500 square foot creative center.
We have great inspiration. We have quilts that are made, projects that are made, so you can get inspired.
Our repair department, we have 4 full-time repair techs trained to service your various brands. We also deliver and set up your quilting machines, and also can pick up and deliver for service if the machine's too heavy for you to bring in yourself.
We have over 100 classes a month, ranging from mastery classes that you get for free if you buy the machine here. We teach you how to use your new toy. And we have project classes ranging from easy to embroidery to more difficult.
It's a really fun store to be involved with because we have first-time quilters that might be 10 years old or they might be 80 years old, but it's fun to have that first-time quilter come in and get the help they need to, shall we say, satisfy their creative desires. And it's also fun to see somebody come in that's an expert in their craft and see what they've done.
This spring we've been featured in the Quilt Sampler magazine. This is one of the top 10 quilt stores in the country.
We look forward to another 40, 50 years of great quilting inspiration in the Spokane Valley.